Hello everybody and welcome to my channel, and today we're doing this awesome recipe which is macaroni and some cheese. If you really like pasta and some cheese, I'm sure you would love this. Subscribe to my channel and see more of my videos. First of all, you'll need to cook the pasta. Let's heat up some water with some salt till it boils and add 500 grams of pasta. I will cook it for 7 minutes. Then let's take out the water. Then let's some grated cheese. In a pan, add 50 grams of butter and let it melt. Then add 50 grams of flour and mix it very well for about 3 minutes. Then add 300 milliliters of milk. If it isn't cold, it's better. And mix it till it all dissolved. Then add the cheese. And mix it till it's all melted. Add some salt if you want to. Then now you can add cheese to the macarons or the pasta that you made and mix it very well. Then you can plate it, and this is the recipe. I hope you enjoyed, and if you did, give me a like and subscribe to my channel to see more of my videos. Thank you for watching.